my dear students, welcome back to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the polynomial chapter, factorization using identities. Let us see. First question is x cube plus 8 y cube plus 6x square y plus 12x y square. We already discussed the factors of the cubic polynomial. On that cubic polynomial, only one variable is there. X cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 8. Whatever it may be, only one variable. That factorization method is first trial and error, then second long division, and the third one splitting the middle term. Here look at this factorization. Here two variables are there. X and y is there, not that point. Okay. So here x cube plus 8y cube 6x square y plus 12x y square. In these type problems means we have to choose the identity, which is the correct identity for this. Okay. First of all, we have to do these terms as we have to rearrange that. That means x the whole cube is x cube, no? Yes. Then what is here 8y cube? 8 means it is 2 cube is 8, no? Then y cube is equal to y cube. So we can rewrite as 2y the whole cube. The first term is x cube and the second term is 2y cube. So the first variable x and the second variable is y. So from this we got what is the first a and b. Similarly, we have to split this, the third term. We can write it as 3 into 2 is 6 now. So 3 into here x, that is x square into 2y. Is it clear? 3 into 2, 6, x square y. We have splitted that term. That is 2y is b, this is a, this is b. So 3 into a square into b. That is 3a square b. Similarly, the fourth term is here. 12 means we can write it as 3 into here x into, again how many remaining? 3 into 4. So that means 2y the square. Check this. X cube means x the whole cube. 8y cube means 2y the whole cube. Again we have to split out the term. 3 into the first term is x square and the second 2y. Check this through. 3 into 2, 6 x square y. Similarly, 3a b square, that is 3 into a is x and b is 2y the whole square. So 2 square is 4, 4 into 3, 12. Is it clear? Now we got it that this is a, this is b, this is 3, this is 3 a square b, this is 3 a b square. Check this, a square plus a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the form is, what is that formula? That is a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab. So we can rewrite as what is here, a is equal to x and b is equal to 2y. Therefore, we can write it as x plus 2y the whole cube. This is the factors. Is it clear? So if you got this type of problem, if it is having two variable means you have to split all the term, then it will make one formula, correct identity. So you have to check it, you have to remember that formula, then substitute. Okay. So x plus 2y the whole cube. Is it clear? So what are the factors here? That is x plus 2y into x plus 2y into x plus 2y. This is the answer. Is it clear? The second one is 8x cube plus y cube plus 12x square y plus 6xy square. Similarly, we have to split all the terms. 8x cube means we have to rewrite as 2x the whole cube. So 2x the whole cube plus y cube means y the whole cube. From the two terms, we can identify what are a and b. Here this is a, this is b. Similarly, we have to split in terms of a and b. Here it is 12. So that means a is here 2x, b is y. So x square means 2 square is 4 by. That means here 3 into 4, 2x the whole square into y. Plus here 6 only. So 3 into what is first term? That is 2x into here y square. So look at this. A cube, b cube, 3a square b, 3ab square. So from that we can identify what is this. Here a is equal to 2x and b equal to y. So we can rewrite as 2x plus y the whole cube. So what are the factors? 2x plus y into 2x plus y into 2x plus y. So these are the factors. If you got these type problem is you have to split or a product of a and b. That means 2x means we can write it as 8x means we can write it as 2x the whole cube and y cube in terms of 3a square b, 3ab square. From that we can identify which formula is that. So this is the form of a plus b the whole cube. Then we have to write it 2x plus y the whole cube. The answer is 2x plus y into 2x plus y into 2x plus y is the answer. Is it clear? The third one is 8p cube minus 27q cube minus 36p square cube plus 54p q square. So look at the first term, 8p cube. 8p cube means we can write it as 2p the whole cube. 2 cube is 8p cube. So we can rewrite as 2p the whole cube. Here this is minus here. Okay. Then what is here 27? 27 cube means we can write it as 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. So 3q the whole cube. So we have to replace this. This is 3q the whole cube. Minus, we have to split in terms of 3 into. So 3 into here, 3 into 2p. That is 2p the square because p square is there. That means 2p square into q plus 54 means again the multiples of 3. That is 3 into only p. That means 2p into that is 3q the square. Is it clear? First term 8p cube means 2p the whole cube. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3q the whole cube. Again it will changes into the multiples of 3. 3 into 2p square into cube plus 3 into here only p. So 2p. Into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 2 54. 3 square 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 54. So clear? So now we got it. This is a cube. This is b cube. 3a square b. 3ab square. So we can rewrite as here a equal to 2p and b equal to 3 cube. So what is the formula? That is here minus is there. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So that is a minus b the whole cube. So 2p minus 3 cube the whole cube. What are the factors? 2p minus 3 cube into 2p minus 3 cube into 2p minus 3 cube. Before here we want to write the identity. What is the identity? A plus b the whole cube or whatever this formula is based on this specific we have to write it here. A minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a. A square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. We must write this identity before concluding this answer. Okay. Which identity is based on this problem is you have to write in that formula. Okay. So I hope you all understood this all about factorization using identities. Okay. If you have any doubts, please write below the comment box. I will clarify you. Okay. If you like this video, means like, do share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon on the right side. Then only you will get more updates from my channel. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.